Hello! If you're considering diving into the world of luxury and maybe now you're starting to build your own luxury collections, congratulations! This video is for you. Luxury is a thrilling adventure, and it's crucial to approach it with thoughtfulness and knowledge. Many people are drawn to luxurious items because of their brand prestige. However, as you're starting this journey, keep in mind that not everything flashy from high-end brands is necessarily a wise investment. In this video or discussion, we will cover different categories of luxury items you should think about carefully before making a purchase. This way, you can create a collection that exemplifies true quality and value over time. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm MC and my passion revolves around luxury fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you're into these topics, you might want to subscribe and turn that notification bell on for new videos. First, let's take a look at novelty items. This category includes trendy keychains, fashionable bag charms, stylish phone covers, or basic tech gadgets that might capture your attention temporarily. Bag charms are a great way to add a unique touch to your bags, showing off your personal style or taste in high-end fashion. They can elevate a basic neutral bag, but we tend to get tired of them easily. Besides, not all bags are meant to have bag charms added to them. Luxury bag tags and luggage tags are not also smart investments. You can find many alternatives that are not expensive but are better and more durable. Even if they get lost, it won't hurt your wallet. Phone cases, on the other hand, are not a practical way item because we often switch phone models. Sometimes these cases and holders are even more expensive than the phone itself. They're only a waste of money. Also, a common pitfall is purchasing costume jewelry, which often lacks genuine materials and many are merely gold-plated, prone to tarnishing. They are low in quality and can't be fixed when broken. Such items might look appealing at first glance, but they typically do not showcase the exquisite craftsmanship and lasting quality that genuine jewelry or luxury jewelry should represent. Rather than focusing on objects meant primarily to display a brand name, consider concentrating on high-quality essentials that add real significance to your collection. Fashion jewelry doesn't hold value and is unlikely to become a family heirloom. Next, let's move on to clothing. Curating a luxury wardrobe requires critical thinking, especially concerning everyday items like t-shirts, hoodies, joggers, pants that may come from fast fashion brands. While they may catch your eye with trendy styles, these garments often skimp on quality. True luxury fashion is defined by enduring value. Instead of replacing basic pieces every season, aim for wardrobe staples that embody classic elegance and can be worn across different occasions without being confined to fleeting trends. Investing in essential pieces ensures you're not just adding more items to your closet, but building a refined wardrobe that stands the test of time. It's also wise to be cautious about everyday items marketed at luxury prices. Items like umbrellas, calendars, playing cards, lighters, notebooks, scented candles, and many more. They may boast luxury branding but often lack the substance that true luxury encompasses. Luxury branded nail polish is also an example of this category. They have some of the most watery, if not very sticky, low-quality materials you can buy. They can be just overpriced versions of very common products. So before making such purchases, it's important to evaluate whether they genuinely offer a luxury experience or if they simply inflated price fee tags that fail to deliver any real value. So instead of splurging on items that don't contribute meaningfully to your collection, think about investing in pieces that have significant value like high-quality handbags, stylish shoes, or sophisticated watches from reputable luxury brands. These kinds of items often retain their value over time or even appreciate, making them worthwhile investments. By choosing quality over quantity, you ensure that each piece you add has a meaningful role in enhancing your luxury experience. You know what? Another essential component of building your luxury collection involves researching the brands you're interested in. Understanding a brand's background, craftsmanship, techniques, and reputation can aid in making informed purchasing decisions. Seek brands that are known for their quality and originality instead of just their labels. Appreciation for the brands you consider enriches your shopping experience and guarantees that every piece in your collection is one you will truly value. Patience is another important aspect of developing a luxury collection. Although it can be tempting to buy every attracted piece you see, authentic collection takes time and consideration. Take the opportunity to ponder what styles resonate with you personally and how they can enhance your overall wardrobe. It's also important not to settle for anything less. If what you really want is not available or if it's too expensive for your budget, wait a bit and save up for it instead of getting your second or third option. Remember, a true luxury collection isn't built overnight. It evolves through careful selection over time. Additionally, consider the resale value of the items you wish to buy. Some luxury items hold their value remarkably well, while others may lose their price quickly after purchase. As you curate your collection, think about how these pieces will endure in terms of both style and their potential resale appeal. Focus on items that have strong demand in the resale market, as they are likely to remain coveted even as trends change. Now, in summary, if you're embarking on the journey to build your luxury collection, it is important to focus on the attributes that genuinely define luxury and quality. Avoid novelty items, fast fashion clothing, and generic products that are stupidly expensive and may not contribute meaningfully to the essence of your collection. Instead, prioritize items with timeless aesthetic that reflect your personal style and offer lasting value. With a strategic approach and careful consideration, you'll be well on your way to creating a luxury collection that you can take pride in for many years to come. Enjoy the journey and may your luxury collecting experience be fulfilling. Bye!